I do love Bumblebee. It's indelible. I see it in the street now, and I have like an emotional attachment to a Camaro, which is strange.
I love my yellow Bumblebee. He's so sweet. And I love the Camaro. It turns into the sexiest yellow car you could ever imagine.
I was just thinking about Bumblebee today, and Bumblebee has an innocence about him, and it just fits the image of that Camaro. Maybe in your teen years, I remember when I was a teenager, I had a Chevy. You know, there's something about innocence of youth and purity that so kind of encapsulates Bumblebee, and maybe that particular car and the color of Bumblebee. You know, I don't know. It's just it's such a. I just think purity when I think of that character. I really do. I mean, look right there. You got Bumblebee right there, and of course, it's an icon. It's an icon, and it just like again. I think it epitomizes American culture and epitomizes what we're all about. You know, it really does.
This is the most famous car in the world, Bumblebee. You know?
Move the car! Come on, move the car! I love the old Camaro anyway. I think it's really cool. And then they upgraded it, you know, once gave them a little more stylish ride.
Camaro has just got great technology. It's a bold design, very striking, very straightforward. I call it an everyday hero. That's exactly what it is, and that's kind of the role it plays in the movies.
Camaro has been part of the inception of Transformers in terms of when we first did the first film, and then in the second film when we actually had a chance to launch the car, and now we go to the next iteration of the product and obviously the film as well. And we're really happy to be starring in the third film and in this heroic, authentic role that's very important to the Chevy brand and to the car and to the film as well.
I think when you combine Michael and a Camaro, Michael Bay and Camaros, the look is so cool, and the car, and you fall in love with Bumblebee. So you've got heart, you've got style, and you got hip.
Bumblebee is the most recognized car in the world.